Hello and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, we're going to be talking about the 5 affiliate marketing strategies that require zero audience. So let's jump in. So the first one is native ads. So what native ads are, if you actually type it in on Google, native ads sites, right? So you're going to have a list of different ones. Taboola is popular. I've seen that a lot. And then there's Outbrain. I've seen that one a lot. You can go over here on entrepreneur.com, read this article, and you can also get more information where there's going to be even more sites. But essentially what native ads are is that you're actually paying an advertising company to go out and do the ads placements for you on different people's websites. So other websites that are kind of in connection with these other sites, they'll put up your ad, like a banner ad is very popular. So they'll put this banner ad up on their site. And so when users are reading something on a site, and I'll show you an example in a second, then they will be intrigued by your banner ad, hopefully, and then they'll click on it and then they'll go over to see your offer. So let's go over it real quick to Outbrain, which I know has been around a long time, and it's one of the leading native ads providers, right? And so what you would do here is that there's advertise with us and there's monetize with us. So monetize would be if you're going to actually hook up with Outbrain, put code on your website and allow other advertisers to put their banner ads on your site. So what you would do is actually go to advertise with us, right? Advertise with us. And this is where you're going to start trying to place ads on other people's sites, right? So this is Outbrain. It can get a little bit pricey. So a lot of times they have a minimum of how much you're going to need to put into your account. Sometimes that's as low as $30. It's usually about $50 to $100 to get started with this, but it is a good kind of hands off. Once it's all set up, it's a lot less involved with setting everything up than something like Google ads or Facebook ads, where I wouldn't recommend doing that without taking a course first, because you could really eat through your wallet and your marketing budget if you don't know what you're doing with those kind of networks. So I would consider this one a little bit more of a stepping stone or a way for a beginner to start getting some paid advertising on other websites, but not having to deal with all the technicalities of paid advertising like on Facebook or Google. Some examples are like this one right here, The Onion. It's like a news site, kind of like Huffington Post or something like that. And when you come through here, and we'll just look right here, you'll see right here, they have different advertisements that you're going to see throughout the website. So like right here, we scroll down here and look at this, recommended from Geo Media. So there is, if you scroll through here and you hover over this, you'll see down and look down here in the left corner, you'll see that it's actually different sites every time I hover over one. That one's from lifehacker.com and this one is from .com. So these are all leading to other sites, and this is like native advertising on another website. And how is this powerful? Well, a ton of people visit this, right? So I'm going to go and click on Similar Web, and you can see right here that The Onion gets over 4 million visitors a month, right? They've got a good bounce rate, pages per visit. People visit almost 4 pages every time they go to this website. And they're ranked almost 3,000 most trafficked website in the United States. So this site is definitely a powerful site. And so that's why it's powerful to put your ads on this site to get traffic. Okay. And then another one, we're just on this cracked.com site. And you can scroll down here and see all these other different ads. There's a bunch of different other types of ads right here that people are sending to their article or their website, okay? And BuzzFeed does the same thing. So you can see all these other different websites right here, or all these different ads. And these are all native ads that they are just sending. So they're getting paid. BuzzFeed makes a lot of money off of native ads, the advertisers, but the advertisers wouldn't be doing all this if it wasn't beneficial to them and they made sales as well. So that's it for native ads. Let's move on to the next way to do this without having an established audience. How do you do affiliate marketing without an established audience? Well, let's get into the second one. So it's called Launchjacking, right? And what Launchjacking is, there will be a product that is coming out and nobody knows about it. So a bunch of people that have established email accounts and they have a lot of subscribers, they're going to promote that product to their email subscriber list. And when they do that, a lot of people will check out the product and be like, oh, cool, that looks cool, but I need more information. So they're going to go over and type into Google that product, and they're going to search for a review on it, right? A lot of times it's like a video review. And then that's where you have an opportunity to kind of intersect and put yourself into the marketing mix with just putting out a video, going over the product. And so they're going to be driving the traffic to you, right? And you don't have any audience. You're just putting out a video. And they're going to be driving the swarm of people that want to learn more about the product. You put your video in front of it. And I've talked a lot about it on this channel. That is how I make a lot of my affiliate commissions per month, is Launchjacking. It does work. And it works really, really well. So, but this is kind of an hourly type work you do. It comes and goes. There's an initial launch period for like 1 or 2 days where you will make sales and have some success, but then it's going to be on to the next product, because the interest will fade away, and then it's about the next product. So you have to understand that about this method. So the site that you would use is it's just called muncheye.com. You'd go to muncheye.com and you would come over here. So today is August 24th. So you would come through here and look at August 24th. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products that come out today if I wanted to do this. And right here, there is one large launch today, and that's on JBZoo, and it's called Design Beast. I have other videos that I can leave a link below that you can go check out, where I actually go over how to go and get approved as an affiliate for this product, for any of these products, and then start promoting that product, right? So that is Launchjacking. It's very, very powerful. It's probably my favorite one right now, because it really does work. You just have to put in the work, and you'll get better and better at it as you go, and you can make some good affiliate commissions doing Launchjacking. And you don't have to do it it doesn't have to be on Muncheye. There's a lot of other products you could do that, but this is definitely a big one. It's called Muncheye. So let's go into our next method, right? So it's going to be influencer marketing. And influencer marketing, it works best with Instagram. You could use it on Twitter or Facebook, but it's more popular on Instagram. And you can basically go and find accounts in your niche that even encourage you to ask for shout outs. And usually a shout out will cost, give or take, 30 to 50 bucks, depending on how big the account is, how established the account is, and how much traffic you could expect to get to your post. And you just want to make sure that when you go up and sign up to do a shout out, you want to send people to a capture page, because you want to try to get people's email address so that you can actually start building your audience you can build an audience and sell something to them at the same time. So that's why it's very powerful to have a capture page. So what would you do? You'd actually go over to Instagram, and I'm just going to go into the search bar, and I'm going to type in men's fitness for fun. What pulls up, and you can go and sample out a bunch of these. I'm just going to click on the top one right over here. And you can see they have 14,000 followers, 192 posts, and you can see right here, it actually says paid promotion available. So this is what you're looking for. A lot of times they'll say, we will do shout outs for this much, or hit us up for this. Now, I'm not seeing where they have an email or a contact information right here. You can go ahead and check out if it resonates with your audience and it looks like you'd want to kind of pay for a shout out with this account, then you can reach out to them. And like I said, they're welcoming a paid promotion right here. So what you can actually do is just click on their website if you wanted to, and go check out their website. They got a nice news style website. It looks like they are serious about their business. Looks good. So I would just go over here to the contact us page, and you can fill out your information. Just say, hey, I'm interested in doing a shout out or an Instagram promotion with you. What is the cost and what are the next steps? Thanks. And then just send them a message. A lot of times they're going to have the contact information up here where you're going to easily be able to contact them about the shout out, right? So that's how you would do influencer marketing. And that is a big one. It's been around for quite a while, but it still works. And it's easy for beginners to do this method, because you can have 0 followers on your Instagram account, but you can still get traffic from somebody else's Instagram account. So it's pretty cool. Let's move on to the next one, right? So the next method that I recommend is Faceless YouTube channels. So these work really good with like what is or how to videos. People are searching for an answer to a question. These work really, really well for, because there's a lot of visual footage that's going on these videos. And it's really easy to explain things when you have stock footage or whiteboard animation or B-roll type videos, because they tend to be more engaging and hold the viewership longer. And so I'm going to show you a couple of different examples of this. I'm on YouTube right now, and I just typed in inspired motivation tips. So if I go over here, this is one of my Faceless YouTube. I've got almost 2,000 subscribers, 56 videos. I'm going to go and open that one up real quick, and I'm going to show you a channel that I'm actually kind of going to be mimicking going forward. So here you can see the channel. I'm working on getting it monetized right now as we speak, but you can see the different, like 12 vital skills everyone should know, 15 things you need to do before you retire. They are getting views, 10 habits that will positively improve your life forever. And you can just come and check out. Now the channel actually started off as a quotes channel, so it was mostly about motivational quotes from famous people. But then I've kind of switched into the content. I want it to be a little bit more viral type content, and that's why you can see right about here is where we made the switch. And so we'll be putting more content on here. And to show you another example, so if I go over here. Now, actually, you can go to a lot of these. It's a really cool way to do research, right? Like even just this one right here. I don't know if I've ever been to this one right here. And I'm just going to use this as an example, actually. So improvement pill. So I'm just going to click on this one. They have 2 million subscribers. The one that I'm trying to model only has like 600,000 subscribers. So they've done something right. This improvement pill, 2.5 million subscribers. This video right here, 4.5 million views. And it just says how to stay motivated, the locust rule. And so they're obviously get 2 months free on Skillshare. They're just promoting Skillshare and making money with affiliate marketing. There's no one showing their face on this video. See, we can come through here. It's a whiteboard explainer type video. On the other hand, the students who were told and did well, that's great, right? This one probably cost quite a bit of money to get created, because it's kind of artsy, and you can tell it's very customized. You won't find this video anywhere else on the internet, but you can easily go and just go to Fiverr and have people create simple whiteboard animations, and you can do a lot. You can get a lot more for your money. And you can create YouTube channels that just do whiteboard animation and explainer type videos, explaining really cool concepts like this right here. So, and if you could actually, you can go to the improvement pill, go to Social Blade. I'm not gonna do that in this video because I don't want the video to get too long, but you'll see that this company, just from monetization on YouTube, is making thousands of dollars per month. But more importantly, they're making even more money from just putting affiliate links in their description, right? They also have programs right here. So really, really cool. Let's move on to the next. So my last and final method for doing affiliate marketing without an audience is Google Ads. Now, I will warn you on Google Ads that you do want to have an idea. Now, you could go into YouTube, how to do Google Ads, and find somebody that you trust that actually does Google Ads, and that they can actually teach you how to run proper Google Ads. Make sure it's within the last year. So 2020, that would work. Central Media, that's a pretty big channel. They probably know what they're talking about, so you could go to them. And I also like Affiliate Marketing MC. His name's Marcus Campbell. I've been following him for like 10 years. Now, he is a multimillionaire online, and it just shoots you straight as well. So that would be a good one to try to run to learn from as well. So Google Ads, you would just go over to Google Ads and sign up to your account. And then the power behind running Google Ads is that you could go ahead and, if someone just types something in, best laptops for college students on Google, and then we go over to shopping, you're going to see right here that, look, these ads right here, all these ads, the first thing, I mean, Google's going to put priority on ads. They're going to put ads as their number one priority, because that's how Google makes money. And that's how they're a multi-billion-dollar company, is that they make money from placing ads on their search engine. And that's why when you go over here, they're at the very top. The forefront and top right here is going to be people that placed these Google ads, because they're trying to get in front of the audience. They want to be number one spot, and they want to sell their laptop, right? And so you could keep scrolling down, and they're going to place ads throughout all this content. I've gotten to the point where they place ads kind of in a sneaky way to where you don't even know you're clicking on an ad, and they put a whole nother ad box down here. So Google Ads is definitely going to be the fastest way that you can get traffic without an audience. Google Ads is actually something that you can implement in the same day and start driving actual traffic, real traffic, searching for and are interested in your product, and you can get traffic to them. But you just have to be careful because you do have to have a marketing budget for this. So just keep that in mind. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. And if you did, can you hit that like button for me and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my next video, where I'm going to be talking about and teaching you all about affiliate marketing and how I'm making a full-time living from affiliate marketing. So join me in my next video, and I'll see you next time.